I was on a train with Lati Rinpoche and Khyentse Rinpoche and their assistants and me. So that night before we went to bed, Lati Rinpoche made a real strange comment on the train, and he pointed his finger at me, Lati Rinpoche, and he said, "Be careful tonight. You might lose your head." I have a monk bag, and it's made of cloth. And I wrapped the handle of the bag around my neck, and I put the bag under me, and I slept. So I woke up in the middle of the night. The train was still. There was a lot of noise because of people going on and off. And guess what? I felt a choking sensation. And when I completely woke up, my bag was outside the window. I mean, there are grills, but the grills are quite big, and my cloth bag was outside the window. And there was a man there pulling my bag, trying to take it away. I took it off my neck, and I'm trying to get more traction, and I'm pulling it. And finally, he was much stronger. He pulled my whole bag, and he ran off. And just when he ran off, guess what? The train was starting to move. So with all the commotion and noise, Lati Rinpoche and Khyentse Rinpoche all woke up and said, "Hey, what's happened?" And I told them. And Lati Rinpoche just could not stop laughing. Didn't I tell you that you might lose something? And he was laughing again. And I was like, oh, that's what he meant. And then he was very serious. And he said, all right, now I want you to listen carefully. I want you to make a prayer that whatever has been lost, it will benefit the thief. And have that motivation and let go. And I guess what I'm trying to express in this story is how I learned how to let go, how I learned how to surrender. This negative situation has happened. Even being very poor, not having anything, having my money and my bag stolen, I still was able to generate a kind of thinking that made it benefit the thief. And that came because of the compassion of Lati Rinpoche.